Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make soufflé pancakes with one egg. This easy guide will help you create fluffy, delicious pancakes right in your own kitchen. You'll need just one large egg, about 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget a half teaspoon of baking powder and a dash of vanilla extract. Let's get started on these delightful treats. First, gently separate your one egg, placing the yolk in a small bowl and the white in a clean, dry bowl. To the yolk, add about 1/4 cup of milk, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk these together until they are smooth and fully incorporated. Next, sift in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix the batter. Now for the magic, the meringue. Using an electric mixer, whip your single egg white on medium speed until it becomes foamy. Once soft peaks start to form, gradually add the remaining 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little at a time. Increase the speed to high and continue whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. The meringue should hold its shape firmly when you lift the whisk, creating that signature soufflé texture. With your meringue ready, gently fold about 1/3 of it into the yolk batter to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining meringue in 2 additions, preserving as much air as possible. Heat a non-stick pan over low heat with a tiny bit of oil. Drop large spoonfuls of batter, about 2 inches high, onto the pan. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and puffed. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.